In today's video, we are going to show you several solutions you can try to fix the problem if the videos are not showing on Pocket FM. Before changing any settings on your phone, let's check something that is often overlooked. Pocket FM explains that for some audio series, only the initial few episodes may currently support visuals. Later episodes may not have the video available. So if videos work on the first few episodes but suddenly disappear when you reach later episodes, your app may actually be not working normally. So it's okay. Now try opening an earlier episode and check whether the video appears there. If it does, the problem may simply be that the particular episode you're watching doesn't currently include visual content. But if videos are missing even from the episodes that should have them, continue with the next solutions, which is going to be making sure that you have a stable internet connection. Please keep in mind that even if other apps seems to be working, an unstable connection can prevent media from loading correctly. So try switching from a Wi-Fi if you're using laptop, or maybe a LAN cable if you're using a desktop. If you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, you might want to check that in, all right, and see if that works. Try to restart your Pocket FM if that works. Another thing that you need to do is you want to make sure that you are not using any VPN or maybe proxy while using your Pocket FM, because that could interfere with the media from loading correctly. Now, if Pocket FM is loading slowly, crashing, or displaying errors, clearing the app cache may help. So on Android, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, find and select Pocket FM, and then open Storage. From here, I need you to tap Clear Cache. After that, reopen Pocket FM and check whether the app is now working normally. Keep in mind that clearing cache is different from clearing app data. Clearing app data may reset your app settings or may require you to sign in again. Now, another common reason an app stops working properly is using an outdated version. Once at the App Store on your device and search for Pocket FM, if you see any update button, install the latest available version. App updates can fix bugs, improve performance, and resolve compatibility issues. Once the update is complete, open Pocket FM again and see if that works. And basically, that's how you can troubleshoot the videos not showing on Pocket FM. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.